I'm Debbie. I'm here at the Stitching Post in beautiful Sisters, Oregon, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute little macaroon zipper pouch. So let's get started by showing you the supplies that you're going to need. So you're going to start out needing our mini macaroon kit, and in this kit you're going to receive some great detailed instructions that will show you exactly how to walk through the steps. You will get the template you will need to cut your fabric. You will also receive 2 of the metal discs and a 6-inch zipper. All right, so this is a great project. No sewing machine needed. It's all hand stitched and it's a lot of fun to do. It's one of those quick, easy projects that you can do. You need a pencil, a pair of scissors, you need some needles, some thread, and they recommend heavy thread, so I'm using the YLI hand quilting thread that we have in the office, and it's best to kind of coordinate your thread with the color of your zipper so it kind of is a little bit more invisible. Needles. You're also going to need some fusible fleece. I use the 987F Pellon, and then some Wonder Under fusible interfacing, and then your fabric. And what I found works really good is our 5-inch charm packs for your outside fabric. We have some really pretty velvets here that would work. Some fat quarters that you could do. You can kind of go crazy with, you know, what you want to use. Or any scraps that you might have. You can use whatever you want. So this one I just did like a coordinating fabric. You could do them both out of velvet. You could do them both out of fabric. And you can do coordinating, you know, kind of get kind of crazy with it if you want. Okay, so we'll go back to how you're gonna start. So you're gonna lay the large circle, and this you're gonna cut. This is for your outside fabric. So you just trace around it, and you're gonna cut out 2 of those pieces for your outside. The smaller circle is for the inner fabric. And so again, trace around, cut those out. You'll do the fusible fleece with the larger circle. So you're gonna cut that out. So once you have all your pieces cut, then you're going to fuse the fabric onto your fleece. I have my little Aliso iron right here, and you're gonna place the fusible part of your fleece towards the wrong side of your fabric. And it just takes a quick little press. All right, so once you have your fabric and your fleece fused together, you will hand stitch a basting stitch all around the edge. And I've already got this one started. So again, you don't have to be exact. Just kind of get a quick little basting stitch. And once you have that done, you'll take your metal piece, and you want the hollow side up. So there's a little ridge and it's hollow here. And then you just pull, and this is why the heavy fabric works really good. You just pull this tight. And I've left some of my thread still on the needle right here, because what you want to do is make a star shape on the inside of your fabric to make sure that you have it nice and tight. And I'll show you. So I'm doing this across, and then I'm going to go over to this side. Okay. Bring it through the other side. And none of this is going to show, so you don't have to worry about being a little bit messy. All right. Let me pull this up. All right. And if you feel like you need, you can do more than a star. You know, if you feel like you need to get it tight on kind of all the edges, you can do that. All right. So once you do that, you will make your knot and tie it off. All right. And you would do that with both the outer pieces. So I've already done this one that's finished, so you can see that. Then you will take the inside piece that has your interfacing, your fusible interfacing. This is 805. And this you use the metal disc to trace around your interfacing, so it's a little bit smaller. The fusible fleece and the outer fabric are the same. You use the same circle. With the interfacing, you're going to use your metal disc. You're going to trace around that, so it's a little bit smaller. And again, kind of center it, and then it's just a quick little press to get that to stick. All right, and I've done that with, this is going to be the inside of mine. And my fusible interfacing is right here. And again, you're going to do that quick little running stitch around the edge. And this one, you're just going to pull tight. And then I don't think it says it's in the directions, but I did a quick little press after I had that, so that you get kind of some sharp edges. Okay, so once you have all four, your two outside pieces and your two inside pieces finished, then you're ready to move on to the zipper. And what you're going to do with the zipper is you're going to place it right sides together, so that zipper pull is on the inside. You're going to line up the two ends where the stops are, and you're going to, and I'm not going to do it on this one, but you will stitch across that end, and you'll stitch across this end. Once you get those ends stitched, you are going to, and again, this is going to be on the inside, so you don't have to be real neat. You're going to make an angle, this is a 45-degree angle, and fold it down. So it's going to look like this. Okay, and that kind of gets those ends out of the way for you. All right, so you're going to do that on all four of the little tabs that are hanging over. And I've already done it on this one. So you can see on this side how they are stitched. Okay. Once you have your zipper end stitched together, again, you're going to do another little running stitch. And the great thing about this zipper is there's little, I guess it's the way it's woven, but you can kind of use that as a guideline. And this will determine how much white you want to show, how deep you want it to go. So if you want it to, you can go a little bit deeper. So again, you're going to do your running stitch all the way around, and that will allow you to gather and pull this in so it will fit that top. All right, so now we get to the fun part, putting it together. And I have this one started. So you're gonna place the top that has the metal piece in it, and you can see my stars on the inside. You see that? And you're gonna stitch it together. And this is just a quick little easy, I kind of find it, instead of doing a whip stitch all on the outside, I just go right through the inside. So you just stitch it together like that. And like I said, these stitches really don't, they don't show, so you can be whatever you want. So you would just continue that until that piece is finished. You're going to do that with both pieces. So you're going to finish your other top over on this side. Once you have both of the outside pieces done, then you would move on to the inside. And this is going to go face up. And the thing that I found was easiest is to kind of fold that zipper over that piece, so when you start stitching, it's kind of easier to maneuver. And again, you don't have to be real careful with, with how you're going to stitch this, because those stitches are not going to show. So you would just continue around until you have your inside piece completely stitched down, and that is it. So you'll end up with a fun little piece like this. Great to stick some earrings in. Your AirPods would be a great AirPod carrier. Great to give as a gift with maybe some cash inside there, or hang it on your Christmas tree. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.